Hey guys, No Munch 12 here. Today we have an Aerospeed box fan. It is blue and has white grills and white blades. Or a white blade, I guess. Pretty cool handle. Integrated switch. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the plug here. Decent airflow. It was like $14 or whatever. Prices are really going down on box fans. I'll have probably a lot of videos out today. I'm gonna go ahead and start up on low speed. Kind of cool startup. The grill is definitely not perfect. It's kind of all weird. Yeah. I'll show you the back here. Hi. I'll do a test of the loudness when that clock stops chiming. Here's high. Decent airflow for high speed. I mean, it's pretty quiet. I mean, with Flascos you get a little more airflow, but you definitely got a lot more noise. But for Aerospeed you get a little less airflow and a lot less noise. So, it's pretty cool. Also, I've never seen them in the blue color. They also sold them in black and red like this. So, okay, thanks for watching. This is probably going to be up on my channel in a little here. So, yep. First day of summer vacation for me, at least. I hope you all have a great summer. Anyway, by the way, there's the pancake motor. Thanks for watching.